Now, I've been to the stainless steel industries from last 4 decades, and I've seen the growth trajectory of India. The application of stainless steel in India is the lowest. It's only 2.2 kgs, where in the foreign countries like US it has 14 kgs, China have 9 kgs, Europeans have 7.6 kgs. So what is the best thing is there should be a right product selection. And India now, when the vast number of railway stations, ports, roads, big defense system is coming up, we need to select that where do we end up to a better life cycle. And for me, I find that the passion I have is the stainless steel. See, the product itself is the gold in itself. It's a equivalent to gold because it's a highly corrosion resistant, superior strength, very long life cycle and sustainable. 100% it's a recyclable and aesthetic appeal. ABC, both architecture, building and construction. It's going very fast. So if you go for a right product, it's good. Now, how do we come sourcing? Stainless steel sale has a very good website. JSW has a very good website. JS1. They have the channel partners. They have the stockists. They have the dealers. In stainless steel, I'll tell you one more thing. There is one community called Sachor community. The people from Rajasthan. I trade from CP Tech. Astaji, there are 5,000 shops at one stop, and they stock crores and crores of material. And house to home deliveries like with the Swiggy and Zomato gives. These people delivers the stainless steel or the metals, brass, copper, aluminum. So it's very, smart and digital will not say much, but now due to the lot of tech, people have started adopting. So when it comes to sustainability, the future should be future ready material. So this has a durability, recyclability, minimal maintenance, and compatibility with digital and automated systems. All you can have is real time data matching. So I'll just tell you one thing, Indian highways, 410L, the stainless steel rod bars are used everywhere, rebars are used, which will make the highway more life cycle will be bigger. So Indian government national highway is making it mandatory that you should use stainless steel recyclable this all TMT bars. We call it 410L angles. So India with the proper vision, Nitin Gadkari is trying that life cycle is more, and it is his very one famous statement that Indian roads will be compatible to American roads, are better than American roads in the next 5 to 10 years. He was yesterday in Ahmedabad, Mr. Nitin Gadkari, and he has sanctioned 20,000 crores for the roads. But the one thing he has kept is they should be stainless steel used in the rods for the roads. So this will give the life cycle, sustainable, smart sourcing. Another thing, I'll just give you an example. If the Bombay builders, we have introduced to many people that if you use 410L in their building, the cost will increase only 100 rupees per square feet, but the life cycle will improve is 20 years. So every people have started adopting. One more thing you have noted is all the bridges are coming with a green color, epoxy coating. So we need to use, as Janardhan ji said, technology. What the people in foreign countries are using, we'll have to adopt for Gati Shakti. And Indian infrastructure should now be robust. वो नहीं कि खड्डे पड़ जाए रोड में और शुभम शुक्ला बोले कि भाई मेरे को चांद से वो खड्डे दिख रहे थे, ऐसा नहीं. So now it's time that product selection should be smart, sustainable and green. And smart cities बन रही है तो आप देखिए हर जगह एस्थेटिक तो बहुत जरूरी है. So we need to have very good signages like bollards, railings, gratings, signages, bus stops. So the product selection is the key. And if you have a sustainable product, the life cycle increase. So I'm thinking government is very strong, strict, and has made it mandatory in the food and pharma sectors also after the COVID. So things are going in a better way. And again, when we say of sustainability and smart and speed, renewable energy is the best thing. And renewable energy can be the future. जनार्दन जी और राजेश जी, ये जो अभी ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन का यूटिलिटी, the biggest plant coming in Gujarat with the Adani, even the steel will be green steel. And European companies have made it mandatory from 1st of January for the CBAM, cross-border adjustment. So we'll have to use it green steel only. And most of the steel industry has become solar-based, captive power consumption, because the power cost is high and the captive power is cheaper. So I think we are on the right footsteps, but we are doing less. We need to do more and more. So that's good. More and more industries, it has become mandatory. Oil and gas, chemicals, pharma, dairy, food industries. So I think people have started recognizing more, and government has made it QCO and BSI, uh, IA, BIS. So all these things are helping to make it a smart sourcing and sustainable sourcing. So fasteners, because of the long life, again stainless steel is becoming compulsory. In foreign, it is compulsory. Very true. So, stainless steel is the next generation material because of its smartness, smart material compatibility, sustainability, long term reliability, and aesthetic and functionality. So, global trends are also more and more into stainless steel, and we are also a net exporter also in the stainless steel, and more. With the FTA agreement with the Indonesia, last month we received 50,000 tons billet. So the accessibility for the raw material has also become smart. Thank you. So metro projects are coming. You can go for a case example. In the foreign and America and Europe, the stainless steel bright bar and fasteners improved lifespan by 3x compared to carbon steel. So using 316L reduced annual maintenance by 45%, and L&T offshore and onshore projects use stainless steel rods, rivets and bolts. And I said national highways also same doing using 410L. Yeah. So there are challenges, high cost, raw material price fluctuations, and skilled machining fabrication. But opportunities are huge because growing infrastructure investments, emerging global markets, Argentina, Mexico is importing lot, rising demand for corrosion resistant lifelong materials, and stainless steel replacing carbon steel in many industries. So road is this is the material of future, key driver of sustainable and smart infrastructure, and companies who innovate today will lead tomorrow's engineering world. Thank you.